Good morning students. Welcome to the class. This is your web development lab class. Here today I will study a new topic or new tag which is hyperlink tag, a new concept hyperlink. Okay, how to link one document with or one text with another document or another page, web page. Okay, so let us discuss in detail how to link a document. Okay, hyperlink. Hyperlink means also we can say that link. Link are found in nearly all web pages. Link allow user to click their web from page to page. All of you searching different things in your Google. Okay, Google search engine. Okay, some text are blue line, blue color, and also underline. Okay, if you place the mouse pointer for on the text, then the mouse pointer symbol also change it. Okay, and the mouse pointer symbol converted to the hand symbol. Okay, that means if we click on this text or on this word, then we open another page. Okay, that means what? That means the text or the image is linked with another documents or another pages, another web page. Okay, so how it is possible, that these things we will study in this hyperlink concept. So here HTML link means hyperlink concept. HTML links are hyperlinks. You can click on a link and jump to another document. When you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. Okay. A link does not have to be text. It can be an image or any other HTML element also. Okay. HTML link syntax. Okay. The syntax is okay. For this link we can use a tag, that means anchor tag. Angular bracket A tag is used for hyperlink tag, and this tag has also a closing tag. Okay, but the ing tag does not have a closing tag. For this is a empty tag, but the anchor tag or a tag is has a closing tag. Also we close this tag. First we open this tag, angular bracket A, and one attribute is there, href. Okay, href tag attribute specifies the destination address. So href equals to the address or the URL which we want to link this text. Okay, then angular bracket close, then we write the text which we want to link for the another page. Okay, then we close this a tag /a. Okay, so for example here a tag angular bracket start a href equal to one file name here, right here. Okay, within the double quotes, then we close this tag angular bracket close, then we here we write a text visit html tutorial, then a tag is closed. Okay, so in this way we write this hyperlink tag. Okay, the href attribute specifies the destination address and the link text is visible, but that means only show this link text, this text and this text color. If the link is set here, then the color of the text is blue. Okay, and when we place the cursor, move the cursor for this on this text, the mouse pointer will be change pointer to hand size. Okay, small hand size. After that we click this and open a new page. Then the link here can be possible as a local link also. That means the example above as absolute URL, but a local link, that means link to the same website, is specified with a relative URL. So in this way, href, then HTML file name, then close this angular bracket, then HTML images, then a tag also close. HTML link colors. How colors are set. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. If the link is not open at least one time, not open, then the color of the link is blue, underlined and blue. If you visited the link, then the color changes, it will show this purple. And activate the link, it is underlined and red. If the link is active, then it is red color. You all of you also, when you searching anything in your Google search, the different type search, the different options are there. Okay, different documents are there. So for this, you notice that whenever you first search the first time, then all the links are blue color. If we open one or two and rest of they are not open, then the one or two are which is you open, that is your purple color, and rest of their blue color. Okay, in this way it will show you. Then the link is a target attribute. How to target? The link target attribute specifies where to open the link document. That means in which place you open the link document. These things, this target option we will set in the frame set tag. Okay, when we divide a screen in a different frame, at that time we set this target tag, and we want, in which place we want to open this document, it will show you. That means the target attribute set blank, self, parent, top or frame name. In which frame it will show you, or in a top it will show you, or in a parent side it will show you. Whatever place you want to set this here. Okay. Then the example is right here, target equal to blank, target equal to top. In this way we set this in. Okay. Let us do one lab work using hyperlink. How it will be written in a HTML in a notepad, and how it will be executed. Okay. So for this we write first HTML root element, then head tag. This for some all these things, head, HTML, head, title, head close, then body open. These things are same in the every lab work. Okay. So here HTML start, head, then title start. In the title we write here hyperlink, then title close. After that we write here head, then head close, then we start open a body tag. Okay. Here we after body tag open we write here center. That means the text or image whatever we want to place here, it will be center of the screen. Then here we write a image, set a image src equal to skdiv.jpg. All these things are the path of this or full address of this image file. Okay. Then we close this center tag. Then again we open this center tag. If we want to center this one also, here also we close this center tag. So whatever we write, close this center tag here, and again we open this center tag. Then we write here SKTV Government Polytechnic, and the SKTV Government Polytechnic will show you in a bold text and also in a H1 heading style. Okay. So in which manner we open all these things, in that manner also we close these tags. First we open center tag, then we open H1 tag, then we open bold tag, B tag. After that we write here text. So which tag will be open in the last, that will be close in the first. That means here lastly b tag will be open. So first we close this b tag, then h1 tag, then center tag. Okay. After that here we break the line, then hr one horizontal ruler also we place here. Then again we set a center tag, and then heading also set there, h2 tag also open here. Then here we write a href, that means hyperlink a tag, anchor tag href equals to about.html within the double quotes, angular tag close. Okay, then here we write about us, that means this about us is our link text. Okay, then we close this tag, then line break. Again we also another text also there. In this way here we write four text here: about us, mission, vision and contact us. These four text are linked to open another page. So for this link here the about us link is there, and it will open the about.html. First we create the about.html tag, already done that. Okay, about.html is another page where we write the about us, about the skdab. Okay, this html file already done that. Then here we write a mission, and when we click on the mission.html file also open. That means these four files are previously you have created. After that you link these things here. Okay, so in this way we do this. So here is your about.html. In this about.html code we write these things. Okay, after that in the mission.html also we write these things. In the vision.html also we write all these things. In this way previously we created these things. Okay, then we link these files using the link text or using hyperlink tag. Okay, so your pages look like this. When we place the mouse pointer, this about us, mission, vision in the here, the mouse pointer will be changed, and after that we clicking the another page will be open. So let us how these things is possible. Okay, these things here we done here, and these files also we have created previously. After that here we set this link here. Okay, so when we run this file, how it will be look like. In this way the file is, the output is display. First we set here the skdb image, this one is also here. Then we write the skdb government polytechnic as a center, this one is also here. Then a horizontal ruler. Okay, this one is also here. Then we like about us, mission, vision, contact us. These things are written here and link the four files. So this about us, mission, vision, contact us, all these things written here. So here we click about us, it will open another file. Then here we click mission, then it will another file. Here we click a vision, it will another file. Here we click a contact us, it will open another file. In this way we done this. So okay, in this way we link all this text in a new page. Okay, all of you understand clearly? So let us create another example for this. Another example is this one. Okay, here first we write HTML, then head. Okay, these things also write here also, another lab work. First we discuss here, then go to the notepad. Okay, how to link a image using hyperlink. That means when you click open the on the image, it will open another page. Okay, so for this, here we write HTML, then head, then title, all these things. After head close, we write here, we open the body, then here we set a background image for the body. Okay, so then we set the we write here center, then a anchor tag will be open here. Okay, a href equal to hyperlink.html. That means the link which file it will be linked, the file name will mention here. After that, the angular bracket close, we write the link text. In the text link, we place a image. Then we close the a tag, then br, then here in this way we in which manner we will design the page. For this, we write the h1, then b, then SKDB Government Polytechnic, then close all these things, then center also close, body close, HTML close. So let us check how the page will be look like. Okay, this code is also written here, hyperlink href, then image in the link text area we write the image. Okay, we place the image, then a close, then br, then skdb, all these things. So now we run this code. Okay, image hyperlink. Okay, after that, when we place this page is here, looks here we in the mouse pointer is move on the SKDB Government Polytechnic, then the mouse pointer will not change. When mouse pointer is moved to this logo, then the mouse pointer is change. Which type of mouse finger? In a thumb symbol. Okay, when you click this page will be open. Okay, after that, when you click this about us mission, all these pages are open here. Okay, so in this way we create a image as a link. Okay, so in here this one also completed. Okay, these things also completed. All of you written in your record copy and do the lab work in your computer and practice all these things. Okay, if any doubt you can also ask me. So that's all for this class. Thank you.